Hi, today I am going to talk about that why I do not recommend anybody to go a designer to design their own project, specifically if it is a residential project or own home. Now I will give you 6 points. I can give plenty of points, but major 6 points I have jotted down that enough to convince yourself that you can design your own residence, your own home yourself. You can become a designer very easily. Now why I do not recommend it? So this is architect Shomali Ji Sinha, the founder director of Profex Institute of Technical Education, and I am architect, author and entrepreneur. So now here I am going to discuss about all those 6 points so that you will be convinced enough that you can pursue a design career. You don't need to do any graduation in any other careers. Rather you can design your own home yourself and you don't need to go to any designer. Now the point number 1, see, the residence or the home where we live, that is our own desire, our own dream, and that is our own need. Actually no one is there who can better explain or better understand that what is our need or what is our desire, right? And we dream about our residence. So that was the point number 1. That's why I don't recommend you to go to any designer. Do it yourself. The point number 2, not only your dream or your desire, but your habits, your culture, your practices, these are related to residential project, right? So nobody can understand your practices, your habits and your culture, your family culture, your health condition, your physique, your daily routines, which you have to actually incorporate in your residential design. So you need not to go a designer, rather you can form your requirement, you can jot down all of your activities, practices and all, and accordingly those activities can be transformed to your design. So that was the point number 2. The point number 3 is very much commercial, you know. Once you want to go to a designer, definitely nobody is going to do any services for you free of cost. So you need to pay. Number 1, you need to spend money, and over and all over you need to pay some more time also, because design, it comes in your subconscious mind. So a designer, they also take sufficient time to understand your project, to understand your need and to understand your culture, practices, habits and all, taking more time to execute your project. So that was the point number 3, why I do not want to recommend you to go to a designer to design your own home. So now the point number 4. See, we scared to design because we think that designing, specifically if it is interior design, it's a part of engineering drawing or something technical. But I am telling you, we have developed a certain method. In my last 25 years of experience, I have developed a method where even if you are not a technical guy, or even if you are not an engineer or technical, you don't know how to do descriptive geometries and all those technical terms, you can design your home using a simple graph of our school level. So that was the good reason why I do not recommend you to go to a designer. The 5th recommendation is that it is just very simple, like arts, science and commerce. If you can understand the arts part of your residential design, commerce part of your design, like materials, their usage and the availability in the market, the pricing and the method of application, that's the simple thing. And if you know how to do the science part, that is only the designing part, the sizes, the dimension and the comfortness, how much comfortable you want to feel in your home. Only these 3 things if you can understand, and that's very simple like A, B, C, D. So you can easily do the home design or your own residential design yourself. So the final point, and the point number 6, why are you waiting for somebody to design your own home? You can save money, you can save time, you can learn something new and you can do it without being a technical person. Why not to join an interior design and you do it yourself? Okay, so it was architect Shomali Ji Sinha with 25 years of experience in residential and commercial design and all sorts of design. Thank you for listening to me. If you resonate, you please write something in the comment box. It is below, and like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.